welcome back to my channel. I am Komal, and today, as the name of the video suggests, I'll be showing you my ride or die products. These products are the ones which I've been using since quite a long period of time, and I do not think that I'm going to stop using these in the near future. They are my absolute must-haves. So my first ride or die is this Nivea Soft Light Moisturizer. Now this is the moisturizer that has stayed on with me since my school days. Like, that is how much I love it. No matter how many different moisturizers I try, I always keep going back to this one. This is extremely lightweight. It gets quickly absorbed into my skin, and also it has a nice floral fragrance which I love. Moving on to the second ride or die which I have is this Deep Clean Foaming Scrub by Neutrogena. I also have used this product in my morning skincare routine video. You can go and check it out. I'll be leaving a link down in the description box. Now, talking about this is very gentle on your face, yet it deeply cleans all your dead skin that you might have. It tightens your pores if you have any. I personally have pores on my nose and on my chin, so it tightens the pores. It cleans my skin thoroughly, and it also makes my skin feel silky soft, smooth and refreshed after I have used it. So this is one thing that I use every single day. Moving on to product number 3, I have a toner, because after a scrub there definitely has to be toning. I don't know about you, but I cannot even imagine skipping toning out of my routine. So yeah, for toner I have the Lakme Absolute Pore Fix Toner. This is an extremely lightweight toner. Again, it comes with a spray nozzle like this, but because it has an slightly overpowering smell, at least for me, I never spray it on directly to my face. I spray it on a cotton pad or on a cotton ball and then dab it onto my face. One thing that I love about this is, unlike other toners, it does not form like a layer on your face, because it is extremely lightweight and it has a watery consistency. Moving on to product number 4, I have two Burt's Bees lip balms. One is in the flavor pomegranate and the other one is the rose tinted lip balm. I first used Burt's Bees around a year ago, and since then I have been absolutely hooked to the lip balms by Burt's Bees. Apply this moisturizer once in the morning and reapply this only if I've had to wash my face or my lips. Other than that, even after eating or drinking something, I can still feel the lip balm on my lips. So yeah, it's pretty long lasting. If you're a big fan of MAC lipsticks, then you need to have these lip balms for your lips, because MAC lipsticks are absolutely drying and they're not so good for your lips. Moving on to my fifth ride or die, I have L'Oreal Paris Hair Spa Detoxifying Shampoo and the same conditioner. Now, these claim to have tea tree oil, which is an anti-dandruff agent, and also they have cooling menthol, which leaves your hair feeling refreshed. Its conditioning agents leave your hair looking healthier and shinier. Now, for me, true to its claims, this does make my hair feel silky smooth. I also have hair which is slightly to the drier side, and also it is frizzy towards the ends. So this shampoo does definitely help me. I use it every alternate day and I love these. I just need to have them with me. I cannot do with any other shampoo and conditioner. So yeah, these are my fifth ride or die. So my sixth ride or die are nail paints by Nykaa. Nykaa has launched a variety of nail paint collections, but my current favorites happen to be these two shades. This one right here is the Watermelon Sorbet, and this one is the Strawberry Tart. Both of these are from Nykaa's Pop Nail Enamel collection. These are gorgeous matte shades with intense and long-lasting color. I personally have noticed that Nykaa nail paints last me longer than the normal ones that I've used. Also, they have a quick drying formula. Moving on to my seventh ride or die, I have this Take the Day Off Makeup Removing Oil by Clinique. Now, unlike other oils, it does not feel like you're using grease to remove makeup from your face. It is extremely lightweight, yet it is equally effective in removing any kind of makeup that you have. It just easily wipes off. Even if I'm wearing waterproof makeup, it removes it quite effectively. Also, it does not have any kind of odor. It is absolutely odorless. Moving on to the 8th and the last ride or die product I have is this NYX Born to Glow Liquid Illuminator. True to what it says on the packet, it is an extremely lightweight liquid illuminator that gives your skin a refreshed glow and a beautiful highlight. Like, I use this almost every single time for highlighting my face, and it is my favorite drugstore highlighter. So that pretty much completes my ride or die products. I hope you guys liked the video, and if you do, then do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button below. See you there.